hexapeptide 8 in it, also sometimes called topical Botox. It's been known to reduce wrinkles by basically softening facial muscles. And some say results come in a few days, others say 4 to 8 weeks of consistent use. I just use this one time on my neck area, so stick around. I love a good neck firming cream. The first thing I thought when I pulled it out of the box is, wow, that's a really big container. I was impressed by that. And then the second thing I thought is, I really like this design. So it has these little kind of textured spinny things, and then this says on and off. So I'm assuming you just twist it like that. And it says to roll it over your neck for 2 minutes. And that's it. This is my first time using it. I did take a before picture. I'm going to be shocked if we see any sort of after immediate results, but I figure why not? You never know. Here we go. So I'm going to squeeze some. I'm assuming it's just going to come out. There it goes. So that's what it looks like. Kind of like a white gel. Has a very pleasant smell. My watch on. I'm setting a timer. There we go. 2 minutes. Okay, that is our 2-minute timer. So I feel like I didn't have to use a ton. I squeezed it maybe just a few times. I'm going to hit it to the off position, wipe off any excess, and maybe just kind of put it in there. Feeling my neck, it does feel like the cream is definitely on it. My neck feels like it's a little bit red, almost a little bit tender. It didn't hurt, but you could definitely feel as you're rubbing it. So I'm going to let my neck just sit for a couple minutes. Then we'll see if there's any sort of immediate after. Here is the after. I'm very pleasantly surprised at how quickly the redness went down, and I'll have to really study the photos to see if there's any sort of dramatic difference, but my neck feels nice and I'm definitely going to keep using this. I want to see after 4 to 8 weeks if I start noticing a firmer neckline, because that is definitely one area of my skin that I'm starting to notice the most crepiness, and something that I'm definitely trying to tackle the most with topical treatments. If you're looking for something to try out, I think this is a really good one to try. Do the study with me. Let's test it together. Also, here's a video of another neck test I did for something else to help with the neck wrinkles. Check it out.